Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us the legendary Ken Block Hoonipigasus. Before we get to reviewing this diecast car, let us take a look at the car in the real world. Boy oh boy, this 1400 horsepower monster is a custom one-of-a-kind hill climb race car built by Hoonigan Racing Division and BBI Autosports for legendary rally driver Ken Block. Designed to conquer the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, it has a 4-liter flat 6 engine along with a 6-speed sequential gearbox. Now in 2022, Ken Block tried to go ahead and conquer the Pikes Peak with this car but was unsuccessful because of an engine failure. However, in 2023, his daughter Leah Block completed the Pikes Peak with the same car and she was successful in fulfilling her late father Ken Block's dream of completing the Pike Peak. This particular model is a by Spark model, and if you see here, it comes with an acrylic box as you might have seen before, and it is on a plastic base. Now, one of the best features about Spark model is the way that this opens. You just have to turn this particular screw, and here you go. You can pop out the car from its base. Now, this Spark model rolls really very well, as you can see here, and it is very well detailed. If you see here, it has a very big front splitter, acrylic lights, a lot of vents, and these are not fake vents, these are real vents. Look at these vent details here. Look at the big massive wing at the back, the acrylic tail lights as well. It is a very well detailed car. Even the livery is spot on. Everything is perfect. In fact, you could see here you have the livery going below the wing as well. It also has got a duck tail at the back. It has got Toyo tire lettering on the wheel as well. Now these are rubber wheels, so it rolls very smoothly. It has got acrylic inserts for the turn indicators as well. So all in all, it is a very beautiful model and a very detailed one. You have number 43, that is Ken Block's number right here. You have Hoonigan written here. You also have these small pig details that resemble that this is a Hoonipigasus. Now this particular livery is a homage to the pink pig livery that was used for racing. So this is a very beautiful model. The paint quality is really very good and it is very detailed. Let's take a look at this particular model in a little more detail. Such videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I drop a new video.